Hi everyone, I am Swarnim. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be talking about everything which is included in a destination wedding, like venue selection ho gaya, budget planning, wedding planner cost, every last minute hidden expenses. So let's get started without wasting any time. सो रिसेंटली मेरी जयपुर से शादी हुई थी एंड ट्रस्ट मी इट वाज ड्रीमी बट साथ ही साथ काफ़ी लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस भी था। तो अगर आप भी अपने या अपने किसी क्लोज वन की डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग प्लान कर रहे हो तो वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखना। सबसे पहले बात करते हैं वेन्यू की, लाइक आपको कितने पहले वेन्यू फाइनलाइज करना चाहिए एंड एवरीथिंग। तो देखो, मैंने तो दिल्ली, हरियाणा, गोवा सब जगह का ऑप्शंस एक्सप्लोर किया, बट जैसे ही 5 स्टार या 7 स्टार प्रॉपर्टीज का नाम आता था, कॉस्ट सुन के लिटरली होश उड़ जाते थे। सो इफ यू वांट टू फाइनलाइज योर ड्रीम वेन्यू, फाइनलाइज इट एटलीस्ट 3 to 5 months prior to your date. Otherwise, you won't be able to get your dream venue. Also, it might happen that rates double हो चुके होंगे by the time you will get there. Second and the most important thing, which is budget planning. Like everyone thinks that if you're doing a destination wedding, it will approximately cost anywhere from 30 to 40 lakhs. So let's get into it. So the budget mostly depends on the venue that you are going to select, like whether it is going to be a 3 star, 4 star, 5 star, or a 7 star property. And then the most important one, the number of invitees that are going to be there at your wedding. So if I talk about my experience, if your wedding guest list is going to be under 100 and you're going to choose a 3 star or a 4 star property, then it is going to be anywhere between 15 to 25 lakhs. However, if you're going for a 5 star or 7 star property like Jaipur Marriott Hotel or any other 5 star or 7 star property, it is going to be much higher than that. So now when you are doing a destination wedding, there will obviously be a wedding planner who will help you plan everything, be it decoration, photographer, or may your mehndi artist, whatever you require. So now comes the main point, like how much do they charge for it? So actually see, the cost of the wedding planner depends कि आपको कैसा decoration चाहिए अपने शादी में, like do you require a particular theme or a particular color setup, how what kind of entry do you require. So if I talk about that, the cost of the wedding planner can easily go up to 8 to 10 lakhs. However, the basic one like starts from at least 5 to 6 lakhs. Now let's talk about one of the most important thing, like the hidden cost. These are those kind of cost which will be there apart from your menu, wedding planning, venue booking. These cost will be separated from that, and also इस hidden cost की कोई भी आपको बात नहीं करता। जैसे लेट्स से आपको संगीत रखना है एंड यू विल रिक्वायर डेफिनेटली डीजे एंड स्पीकर्स, so there will be a license fee in order to play those songs, and which will require a minimum of 25k. And if I talk about 5 star or 7 star property, that license fee can go even much more higher than that, like around 50k to 1 lakh. Now comes detailing and communication. देखो, ये आपको छोटी सी बात लग सकती है, but I have personally experienced a lot of issues because of this, and that too in a 5 star property. So make a detailed checklist of exactly what you want at your wedding, चाहे वो एंट्री सॉन्ग हो, वरमाला मोमेंट हो, या फिर डेकोर कलर पैलेट हो, सब कुछ क्लियरली लिख लो। और ये आप अपने ना सिर्फ वेडिंग प्लानर को कम्युनिकेट करो, बल्कि कन्वे द एग्जैक्ट सेम थिंग to your venue person as well, ताकि दोनों में से किसी को भी confusion ना हो. Because see, at times your wedding planner might agree for all the things that you are saying, but then your venue person might not agree because उनके अलग clauses होते हैं, like they might not allow cold pyros entry or things like These that. These were some of the most important points that I thought of telling you all. Also, अगर आपको कोई भी doubt हो तो please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you all. Okay, then thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for more such videos.